Ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to the Rustenburg Herald News Bulletin with myself, Jabulani Sinyazo, and Maris Leroux. And we are taking you through what has happened in the past
and what hasn't happened, incidentally.
What hasn't happened in the past couple of days. We all know the much anticipated March with various other organizations with regards to illegal immigrants. Now, in South Africa, it's been chaos all over. Illegal immigrants have been leaving the country in droves. So recently here in Rustenburg, we were expecting that there's going to be some chaos or something, because Rustenburg has been one of the hotspots that has been mentioned by law enforcement. But on the front page, we've got something very different. We've got nothing.
If you want to know more, get the paper.
Ja.
Dan van my kant af het ons op 'n bladsy 2 'n storie oor Tannie Saintjie Trout. Nou ek sê Tannie met alle respek, want sy het verlede week haar 100ste verjaarsdag gevier by Huis se Ring. Gelees gerus haar lewensverhaal en die foto's saam met familie en personeel. Tannie Saintjie, dit wil gedoen wees. Ons wens jou nog baie geseënde en gesonde jare toe vanaf die Rustenburg gemeenskap.
Okay, and moving on to what we have to do to assist police or community members and all that, we've got a local resident who allegedly went missing last week. Now, allegations are that he was allegedly abducted. The more information is on page 3. Please, if you have any information that can assist in this case, just go to page 3 and read all the details there.
Dan bietjie meer aan die positiewe kant, dit is dan skoolvakansie en van die ouers wat al klaar met hande in die hare sit, onthou gerus ons kunskompetisie wat ons aanbied. Ons neem alle talente, ouderdomme, geslagte en kunsvorms in ag, so dit maak nie saak hoe oud of jonk jy is nie, skryf gerus in, so sit dalk die jongspan aan die werk, laat hulle 'n paar tekeninge maak. Die prysgeld beloop R1000 kontant vir die volgende kwartaal se 2 wenners.
That is a lot of money. Now, on what happened on Monday, we've got a story about a suspect who was arrested in Meridian in possession of explosives. We don't know where he was going with those explosives. We don't know his plans. But at least the police arrested him. The whole story is on page 7.
En dan net so bietjie om die koue te verdryf hierdie komende naweek, weer eens, dit is skoolvakansie. Neem gerus die jongspan saam. Daar is 'n fondsinsameling in die vorm van 'n boekverkoping vir die DBV en dan ook die maandelikse boeremark wat hierdie naweek plaasvind. Ondersteun hierdie plaaslike inisiatiewe, help ons vriende wat koud kry, ons viervoetige vriende wat bietjie koud kry, en gaan net bietjie uit en sien die gemeenskap en meng met gemeenskapslede en verdryf die koue op so 'n noot.
On that note, we will see you again next week.
Sien julle dan.